Piggy Bake Business. Gerald, what do you want to today? I want yes. Or what? Over also in a head. Are you okay? I do that though. I too. I cannot stop. Son true. Can you think of those? What if Piggy Bake Business are true? What if you tried to sneeze more so sorry? But if pigs to bake business, then I cannot be there you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, though to the speak. It is too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. K. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Ouch. Great. Now Cat Bake me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think Cat Bake you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you.